Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the phone in hand. First, confirm it's a Oneplus Nord with recent OS updates so settings match. Remove any case that blocks the left edge. Once the slider is exposed, you can reach it without shifting grip. Find the 3-position alert slider above the volume keys. Once located, move it carefully to feel the 3 distinct detents. This physical feedback tells you which mode you're selecting and prevents accidental toggles during use. Now you'll set behavior for each position. You slide to the top for ring, then go to Settings Sound to confirm volumes and ringtone. Adjust as needed. Slide to the middle for priority. Use Do Not Disturb exceptions to allow calls or app notifications you want. Slide to the bottom for silent. Check vibration is on if you need haptic alerts. Make these adjustments so each physical position matches the exact notification profile you expect throughout your day. Finish by testing every slider position. Ask someone to call and send messages while you move the slider so you see real behavior. If a position doesn't match your configuration, go back to Sound and Do Not Disturb settings to reapply exceptions. Once done, test again. Make sure to restart the phone after changes. If problems persist, update the OS or reset sound settings. These steps usually resolve mismatched behavior quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.